The 9 and 10-year-olds are doing funny names in a fiery furnace.
One day, King Nebuchadnezzar set up a statue 90 feet tall.
Come on, everybody, come see my statue.
Okay, King Nutter Butter.
That's Nebuchadnezzar.
Oh yeah, right.
So all the leaders in the land gathered around the statue.
That's a very shiny statue, King Fuzzy Sweater.
Thank you, and it's King Nebuchadnezzar.
Oh yeah, right.
It's golden.
Ooh.
And tall.
Ah.
And everybody must worship it when the music starts.
What happens if we don't?
You'll be burned alive in a big fiery furnace.
Oh, I see.
Then the music started. And the people bowed. Well, most of the people did.
King Never Eat Cheddar, remember that.
What? Where are they? And, it's King Nebuchadnezzar, by the way.
Oh yeah, right.
Bring that to me.
Here we are.
What are your names?
Meshach, Abednego.
Well, Mr. Fleshach, backpack and a funny bone.
That's Meshach and Abednego.
Right. Is it true you don't serve my gods or bow to worship my statue?
Yep.
Are you ready to bow and worship the statue when the music starts?
Nope.
No.
Then I'll burn you alive in a big fiery furnace, and what could save you then?
Oh, King Nebuchadnezzar.
Wow, they got it right.
Our God can save us, and He will save us.
But even if He chooses not to save us,
We won't ever worship your statue.
It's golden.
Yes, I see.
And tall.
right?
And shiny.
Very nice. But we're not going to worship.
Alright then, that's it. Tie him up and toss him in.
And so, some of the strongest soldiers in King Nod on his head, there's army.
That's Nebuchadnezzar's.
Oh yeah, right. Tied up those 3 men and tossed them into the fiery furnace, which was rather like a large barbecue pit.
Didn't we throw 3 men in there?
Yes, King Nebuchadnezzar.
That's King Nebuchadnezzar. Then how come I see 4 men in there? How come one of them looks like a god?
I don't know.
Hey, Brick Shack, Shatty Pack, and a bendy bow, come on out.
That's Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego.
Oh yeah, right. Are you okay?
Yep.
You're not well done, burnt to a crisp, or fried alive?
Nope.
All the leaders gathered around them. They couldn't believe that the men weren't burned. Their hair wasn't singed, and their clothes didn't even smell like smoke.
They must have been in the non-smoking section.
I don't think so. Praise to be their God. These men would rather die than worship any other god than their own. From now on, if anybody says something bad about their God, we'll bulldoze their house into the ground. Yeah, that's what we'll do.
He's really violent, don't you?
I should say so.
Me too.
Yep.
Then the king promoted them, and people all over the kingdom heard about the Lord because of those 3 brave men.
Shadrach,